About this item: power specs: high quality 3-prong power splitter cord, main cable SJT16AWG, 1.31mm2, splitter cable SVT18AWG, 0.824 mm2. Connectors: NEMA 5-15P to NEMA 5-15RX4, cable length, 20-inch. Effectively save outlets. A main 3-prong plug can be divided into 4 shunts. On the splitter end, each outlet has its own cord, so you can plug in large adapters or any size plug without covering the other outlets. Compatibility: computers, monitors, printers, LED stage lights, household vacuum, blender, scanners, appliances, audio equipment, power transformers, Christmas lights, and other appliances that require a 3-pin male to female shroud power connector. Use in compact workplaces or indoor-outdoor home offices where there is limited space for electronic equipment. Sturdy and reliability: this cable manufactured with the highest quality materials, and designed with safeguard features against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuit, which ensure that the adapter is kept in low temperature to charge safely. Built with molded water-resistant structure. It can be used safely indoors and outdoors. Service: 30 days money return of goods, 24 months exchange. We focus on providing quality products and excellent customer service. Please contact us with any questions or concerns. In the description to get this product today at the best price.